my EDC 150 screencast assignment. My name is Carmen Berry. I'm a freshman and I am double majoring in special elementary education. These are my two brothers in the one picture with me, who I love very much, and I included a picture of a sunset that I took in my hometown, Petoskey, because I love chasing the sun. Criteria and reference tests, they are designed to measure student performance against a fixed set of predetermined criteria or learning standards. They're based on what students are expected to know and be able to do at a specific stage of their education. Formative assessments range from a formal and informal assessment procedures conducted by teachers during the learning process in order to modify teaching and learning activities to improve student attainment. Summative assessments, they're used to evaluate student learning, skill acquisition, and academic achievement at the conclusion. It's usually at the end of the year, and it's the mastery of what the student's done. Triangulation is the process by which a teacher collects evidence about student learning. This evidence is then collected from usually 3 different sources, and then the Brigance reading comprehension. This is where you ask the child to read the story in front of the instructor out loud or in their head, and once they finish reading it, the instructor asks 5 questions. The child needs to get at least 4 out of 5 questions correct to be able to move on to the next grade level. The child that I observed and that helped me with this project is currently in 3rd grade. We began at the primary level and she officially made it to the lower 2nd grade level. This tells me that she is a year behind her class. For planning instruction, this would be useful to know for what to teach her and what pace needs to be taken. The sample lesson that could be done is that where the child reads short stories and then answers some questions, and then have the child read them out loud to confirm that she knows every word and the correct pronunciation. I have learned that each individual is different and the various ways of accessing the students. Although some teachers do not work with multiple learning strategies, the teachers that want the best for each student does just that, making sure that each child has the ability to learn and understand the material, no matter how they learn, and then that each student, no matter how severe they want to learn, how severe their disorder is, they want to learn. Although not every teaching strategy works for everyone, and relying on one test is not a good idea to develop what each child knows.